हाय गाइस, कैसे हो तुम लोग? यार मतलब हमने इतनी सारी पढ़ाई की बातें कर ली हैं। इस वीडियो के लिए मैंने सोचा कि व्हाई नॉट गिव यू अ ग्लिम्स ऑफ अ कॉलेज। अब यार टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा था कि कहाँ से शुरू करूँ। मतलब कॉलेज लाइफ इज सो हैपनिंग, इट्स लाइक यू नेवर फ्री। और बिजी रहने का मतलब ये नहीं कि हम पढ़ाई ही करते रहते हुए कंप्लीट नर्ड्स या क्लासेस ही चलती रहती है हमारी। बट इट्स मोर लाइक कि इतनी सारी को करिकुलर और एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर फन एक्टिविटीज होती हैं करने के लिए कि यू कैन नेवर सिट आइडल, यू आर ऑलवेज ऑन द रन। अब कॉलेज की सबसे फन चीज क्या होती है? आई मीन अपार्ट फ्रॉम देयर फेस्ट ऑब्वियसली, उसके कमिटीज, क्लब्स एंड एसआईजीज where you get to interact with so many new people from whom you'll get to learn so much. The most crucial part of management is your network. And these clubs and committees give you an opportunity to do just that. Over here in Ranchi, we have many clubs and committees. और उसके साथ साथ we have SIGs or special interest groups. This academic committee, which comprises the class representatives of every batch. Generally 2 या 3 लोग ही होते हैं. This committee acts as the bridge between the administration, faculty and the students. Basically, तुम्हें बैच की साइड और एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की साइड से कोऑर्डिनेट करना पड़ेगा. शेड्यूलिंग क्लासेस, कोर्स डिजाइन सेशंस, ई रिसोर्स मेंटेनेंस, एक्टिविटी कैलेंडर वगैरह सब अकैडकॉम करता है. इट्स अ जॉब फुल ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, बट इट गिव्स अलग ही लेवल का एक्सपोजर टू माइक्रो मैनेजमेंट. You learn to take decisions which will benefit maximum number of people. So basically, you will learn HR. Up there's another very important committee, that is infrastructure committee. They take care of everything that is required for our stay in the college. Tap में पानी से लेकर mess hygiene, everything comes under their jurisdiction. मतलब I cannot even begin to tell you how many times they are pinned for Wi-Fi issues at 2 a.m. at night. It's a very enduring job, but there are perks also. यार ऐसा नहीं है. Now the committee which is responsible for all the fun in the campus is cultural committee. I mean मेरी तो personal favorite है यार. They organize all sorts of celebrations, चाहे वो कोई festival हो या कोई college fest. You have sports committee who relentlessly work towards making us lazy lads get into our sports shoes and burn some calories. They organize various competitions like section wars, frequent football matches, cricket matches, badminton tournaments, and etc. Now, in every college, there is a media committee who is always ready with their cameras to capture every event, every moment that takes place. अगर मैं IIM रांची का बताऊं तो it has an amazing media and digital committee. क्या मस्त काम होता है यार उनका. Now there are many other committees like Alumni Relations Committee, International Relations Committee, and how can I forget Placement Committee? यार सबसे important. IIM Ranchi has also come up with new committees like Social Impact Committee, which work actively towards attaining the vision of IIM Ranchi at 2030. All of these committees have a very important part to play in the system, and all of them have their own significance in the students' college life. The Internal Complaints Committee, that is ICC, is formed according to the provisions of the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace, Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act of 2013, to hear and address complaints regarding sexual harassment and to spread awareness about gender-related issues and the functioning of the ICC. This is completely autonomous. And its student selection is also very different from other committees. इसका selection एकदम अलग तरीके से होता है जैसे बाकी committees का होता है. Now let's talk about clubs. At IIM Ranchi, we have a wide range of clubs like CoData, which is Analytics Club, Conundrum, which is Consulting Club, Ellipsis, which is Literati Club, Synopsis, which is Finance Club, Marcus, which is Marketing Club, Polynomics and Paradox, which is Economics Club, संचालन which is the operations society and many more. But एक छोटी सी दिक्कत है, ये सारे क्लब्स अभी IPM प्रोग्राम के लिए खुले नहीं हैं. एटलीस्ट अभी तो नहीं है. We don't know if they'll do so in the future, but यार अभी तो नहीं है. But we do have entry to special interest groups. Like there is Dramebaz, which is a drama group, and man, they have performed some of the best plays in Nukkad Nataks I have seen. formed some of creative arts का group, dance group, music group, quizzing का और even case competitions का भी group है यार. At IIM Indore, you have groups to discuss rejuvenation of Indian MSMEs, groups to have discussions on business relations between India and China, Indian aviation industry, frugal and inclusive industry, and even economic and social development of Malwa region. The special interest groups foster the interest of all students across various domains. The SIGs build innate talent and provide a platform for all students to study, showcase and share their interests with other students. अब यार कॉलेज की तो इतनी सारी बातें हैं बताने के लिए, but we your seniors want to do that in person, in campus. तो उसके लिए क्या करना होगा? Right. IP मैट के लिए अच्छे से पढ़ना होगा, उसे क्लियर करना होगा, because we can't wait to meet you guys over here.